Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a leprechaun, so let's get started. To draw this cute little man, let's first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and draw the bottom of a U. Draw a curve, come right across, nice and wide, say about right here. And just go ahead and connect at the bottom. So it's not going to be very long. It's actually going to be pretty shallow because we have to draw a beard. So go ahead and just connect it about right here. There. So nice and shallow. And then from there, let's come to where we started. And I'm going to come out a little bit about right here and draw a circle. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So let's come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes drawn in, let's come to the side right here, and I'm going to just add a curve right here, right next to the eye. It's just to anchor our eye. So same thing right here. Just a little curve right there. Just make it look a little bit more realistic. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come to the top right here, over the eye, and I'm going to draw the brow. So say about right here, I'll just go ahead and draw a curve that comes down. And it'll come right above here and round it off with some zigzags to make it look bushy. So same thing over here. So about right here, just draw a soft curve over the eye, and then go ahead, round it off, and zigzags, and connect. Then from there, let's come to the center in this area between the eyes, and I'm going to draw an oval. So about right here, just softly draw an oval for his nose. And a smile, of course, so right underneath this nose, let's come about right here. And I'll give him a big smile actually, that kind of goes up and cap it off. There. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this up a tiny bit more. So we're just going to go above the brow. And same thing over here. So I just want to kind of next to where the brow is. From there, let's draw a curve that connects these 2 points right over his brow. So right over his brow, we're going to draw a curve. So this is going to be where his hat is. And let's extend this out a little bit more. So about right here and here. And now we can start to draw his beard. So let's bring this down. We're going to follow his face, and we're just going to come out. And about right here, same thing. And let's find my center, so say about right here, not too low, say about right here, I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to bring this curve to a slight point right there. Now that his beard is drawn in, let's come back to where we started over in this area. We're going to draw his ears. So let's pop out some pointy ears, just round off the tip and bring it right down. And let's just come in here with a curve for some details. So same thing right here in this area. But right there, I'll just drag this point across in about the same area, round off the tip and bring it in. So now that we have the ears in, now we can finally finish the hat. So I'm going to come about right here where his ears are, and I'll just draw a curve around his ear, and I'm going to go all the way around. So I'm following this part right here, and let's bring this all the way. So we're aiming to come back all the way around his other ear and right back, just like the other side. And then now we can draw the top. So we just want to make sure this line is about right here where his face is, because you don't want to put it here, that wouldn't make sense, right? So let's bring it out right here and come out. So however wide your beard is, and about right here. So before I finish that, let's come to the center right here. We're going to draw our buckle. Right here, nice big buckle. Just going to bring it right back down. Go ahead and thicken it up. And I'll draw a curve right here following my bottom. And connect. So the reason I'm stopping right here is because I want to tuck in a little clover right here. So I'll stop it. If you're using a pencil, just finish off the hat. I'll come about right here. I'll draw a little stem for my clover, and I'm basically going to start to draw 3 hearts that are connected. So 1, then the center one, 2, and the last one. Oops, not enough room. I'll just fit it right in there. Okay, so we have our clover in. So then whatever space you have left, I'm just going to come right here and round off my hat and bring it right back in. There. Okay, so finally done with the head. Now for the body. So I'm going to come right to the center and draw a little bow. So I'm going to come right here in the center, draw a curve, and then the loops for my bow. There, got bow in. Then about right here is where I'm going to come out with 2 angle lines, because I know he's wearing this little jacket, and I'll bring it down a little bit more. Okay, so then from there I'm going to come out right here and I'm going to draw his collar, his lapel. So come right here, zigzag, and bring it right back in. So same thing right here. I think that's what it's called, right? Zigzag and bring it right back in. Then from there, let's see, let's bring this down more. And imagine his arm. So say about right here, I'll go ahead and just draw an angle line down on both sides. And then let's come in here and we're going to give him a little vest. So center, let's bring down a center line, and about right there I'll zigzag out. And let's add maybe a button right here and another one. And then let's go ahead and bring this down more. So right underneath his vest, we're going to put a little buckle for his belt. So just like basically like a square, round it off and inside, or a rectangle, and connect it across. And shade this in so you can see a little bit better. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and bring this down more and connect with a curve. So same thing over here. There, guys, a little jacket in, right? So then from there, let's come, still coming down to center about right here. I'll draw a slight angle line and a straight line down. Then from there, let's come about in this area, and we're going to come down, we're going to taper down to draw his pants. And let's keep going. So say about right here, I'll stop. And about right here, I'm going to flare it out a tiny bit and connect. So same thing here, just flare it out a tiny bit to give his pants some style. And then let's continue this line all the way down for his legs. So same thing here. And about right here, I'm going to connect and draw his shoe. So draw a curve, come out, and we're going to give a little point and connect right back. So same thing over here. Come down for a point, curve, and connect. And for some details, we can add some stripes right here. For his socks, and maybe a little stripe here, maybe some laces or something, some detail in his shoe. And let's see, and okay, finally, this is arm. So this arm is just going to have a tuck behind, so right down here, imagine his shoulder. Just going to pop this curve out, and about right here, I'll bring it right in to this area. And on this side, I'm going to have his hand come out, or you can have them both like this. It's all up to you. And we're going to bring this out about right here. So not too long. So say about right there. I'll stop and connect it. I'll give it a little cuff and put a little button here, and his arm, his hands. So let's draw a curve. So a very simplified hand, and in. And you can come in here with some details, maybe 2 lines right there. And let's see here. And that is pretty much it, except I'm going to put a heart right here. Put a little pin right here for my leprechaun. It says now my Draw So Cute leprechaun. And let's have our leprechaun outside, right? So I'm just going to draw some grass here. And if you like, you can draw a bunch of clovers. So just like the top, it's 3 hearts connected. You can keep going, draw as many as you like. Draw another one over here. Maybe we can try 4. Let's see, will that work? 4 we have to do a different way. Hold on, let me see. So let's draw 3 first. And let's try for a 4th one here. So we're going to have to draw it first, not the stem. So 1, there, 3, and 4. There, something like that. Now we have our lucky clover. And we're just going to give a little stem right there and just continue our grass. And yeah, it's pretty much it. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out for this leprechaun. That made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.